Tonight is shining like a dark sky. After arranging these countless stars, we're left with just one thought. Everyone has this question in their mind. Are we, among millions of people, alone in the universe? Among the millions of stars and planets, not even one has just a single meaning. Even if life exists only for a moment, let's assume that Earth is the only place in the universe where life is found. Yet even this truth is something the human body hasn't fully accepted. And then the thought arises. If life truly exists and if everything is just about money, then what is the purpose of these billions of shining stars? Once again, in mystery videos, these are the very questions that we humans continuously try to find answers to. Even today, we're still trying, and billions of dollars have been spent exploring space. Is life found on other planets? Does it exist or not? And if it does, what do aliens look like and how do they behave? To learn how we live our lives, NASA decided to go to the moon first, because the moon was the only closest support to Earth. It orbits about 8,430 kilometers away from Earth's surface. In 1968, for the first time, a spacecraft was sent to orbit the moon. That spacecraft was called Apollo 8. Its mission was to send a message back from lunar orbit. 3 astronauts returned safely from Apollo 8. They were the first humans to get close enough to see the moon up close. They spent 68 days orbiting the moon. While orbiting, they saw something strange, something invisible to the naked eye. They were the first people to witness it. Just as we see sunrise and sunset, they too saw something similar for the first time. A breathtaking view, which they photographed. The same timing was used again for the next mission. The following year, in July 1969, NASA's Apollo 11 spacecraft successfully landed on the moon, and Commander Neil Armstrong became the first person to step onto the lunar surface. Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin walked on the moon for 2 hours and 15 minutes, and they brought back soil samples to Earth. NASA says that since there's no air or oxygen on the moon, the astronauts' footprint still exists there, untouched. During NASA's Mars missions, no aliens or similar signs have been seen. Satellites orbiting around send pictures of the moon, and in those photos, some strange things have been spotted. Alien researcher Scott C. claims that some of the moon's pictures show things that appear to be man-made. When NASA released updated images of the moon, that building-like object was missing. Scott claims that if the moon has no kind of activity, then how did that structure appear there? And why was it edited out later? Are there really mysterious activities on the moon? The matter doesn't stop at just a few pictures. Scientists say that on the dark side of the moon, the side we can't see, a very large area has been found. It's about 5,300 square kilometers in size, and it's completely different from the rest of the moon's surface. It's not made from the same soil that Armstrong brought back. It's made of a metallic-like material. Some believe that 4 billion years ago, a huge asteroid struck the moon, leaving behind this metallic residue. But if that were true, the moon would have shattered. So, some scientists suggest that this metal might be a trace of an alien civilization. So far, we've sent 21 reports to Mars. Mars, the red planet, is about 400 million kilometers away from Earth. Every 2 years, when Earth and Mars come closer, the distance reduces to 62 million kilometers. It takes about 7 months to reach Mars. Many missions have crashed, but some have succeeded. These robots have sent thousands of photos, and many of them show strange things. Alien researcher Scott C. claims that small pyramids and structures can be seen in Mars photos. In one photo, even a small pyramid was visible. NASA says these are just rocks shaped by wind and dust erosion. But some people believe they are signs of an ancient alien civilization. In 2014, another photo showed something resembling bones on Mars. NASA said it was a rock, but people claimed it was an alien bone. According to some NASA research, Mars was once like Earth, about 3 billion years ago. It had oceans and greenery. Even now, traces of ice and water are found beneath its surface. In 2014, a photo taken at night showed light coming from inside a rock. Alien researchers said this proved there's still activity happening on Mars. In 2018, another picture showed a statue-like rock resembling a human face. And in 2016, yet another photo seemed to show a statue of a woman. Some people claim that the aliens on Mars are more technologically advanced than us, because one photo showed something that looked like an engine part on a Martian rock. NASA insists they're just rocks, but many still believe they're fragments of a UFO. We hope you'll like this video and share it with love. See you in the next amazing video.